Yeah, okay. Well, this is gonna hurt like a mother.
Oh yeah, that is correct. Exynos beats Snapdragon. Samsung haters just jumped from the roof right now. And should I remind you to subscribe if you haven't already? Thank you, I love you. You all know that Exynos 990 performs lesser than the Snapdragon 865. We all had our laughs about how slow the Exynos 990 is, but now Samsung has a new plan to kick Snapdragon where it really hurts. The Galaxy Note 20 will not use the processor which was found on the Galaxy S20. Instead, Samsung is planning on a newer and improved processor on the Exynos side. And believe me, if your country comes under the Exynos region, my friend, you have a good reason to be happy. We will be able to stand eye to eye with other Android users. We are no longer the inferiors to Snapdragons of the OnePluses because Exynos is much better now. According to new reports, the Galaxy Note 20 will come with the Exynos 992, whereas the Galaxy S20 had the Exynos 990. This new processor will be built on 6nm architecture, whereas the 865 and the Exynos 990 are based on the older 7nm architecture. This new processor will be faster than the Snapdragon 865. It's been rumored that it will be about 3% faster than the 865, and because it's also based on smaller architecture, it is bound to be more energy efficient than the Snapdragon 865. After a long time, Exynos will come on top of Snapdragon at the end of this year, and starting from next year, Samsung will make Exynos better forever. The new AMD Exynos processors are rumored to come next year, and they are rumored to be better than the Snapdragon 875s. We all thought that we had to wait a year to see Exynos being on top of Snapdragon, but the waiting time has been cut in half as Exynos will be beating Snapdragon starting from the Galaxy Note 20 series. Also, I think I should add that if there was a Snapdragon 865 Plus, then that might still have beat out the Exynos 992. But because of the coronavirus epidemic, the 865 Plus processor has been cancelled. It's not coming anymore. And yes, that also means that the OnePlus 8 series will have the Snapdragon 865 and not the new 865 Plus. So some of you might also be asking me that, is it for real? It sounds like crazy talk, bro. How can Exynos ever beat Snapdragon? But yeah, it is. It is real. The new processor is indeed coming on the Galaxy Note 20 and it is indeed better than the Snapdragon 865. The processor will be unveiled in July and will be present on the Galaxy Note 20, which comes in the first week of August. The more interesting thing is that because the Snapdragon 865 Plus is not coming, some other manufacturers will also be using Exynos processors. Namely, Vivo will be using the Exynos 992 in its yet unnamed future flagship. And yes, if you did not know about it already, Samsung does sell the Exynos processors if the price is right. Now the question in my mind is that how will people react to Exynos beating Snapdragon? I can almost guarantee that there will be comments down below still shaming Samsung for the processor or something else. Even though they have made the processor better than the rest, people will still find ways to make Samsung the enemy. Really guys, I will be happy to hear your thoughts about the Exynos 992 being better than the flagship Snapdragon. Just let me know your honest opinion. I personally think that it's a great move from Samsung, and the fact that Samsung will launch the Exynos variant of the Note 20 in Korea, whereas they used Snapdragon of S20, shows that they are really confident in this new Exynos chip. This new processor will take away one of the biggest complaints people had about the Galaxy S20 series, and if they can also fix some of the camera bugs, then the Galaxy Note 20 will be issue-free, controversy-free, and the best Android phone in the market. I am really happy that I can now freely suggest someone to buy Exynos over Snapdragon. Let me know guys your thoughts in the comment section down below. Hit the like button for the Exynos 992. Make sure to subscribe for more videos on the Note 20. And guys, thanks a lot for watching.